Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. My mother-in-law still doesn't want to be in the video, but I'm down another Junkin Buddy. She's staying home with the dog because she didn't sleep at all last night. So we're out. We're going to find the last of the sales because we pretty much hit them hardcore yesterday. So there's not many we haven't hit. We're going to hit a different area that is under construction. So my brother-in-law gave us the back roads to it. So we're going to go check those out. Okay guys, quick update. Made my first big purchase. For $2. It's another bridal gown from 1954, this one, her mother's wedding dress, and she put it in a Halloween box. So of course I took it home, right Nancy? Of course I rescued it. And I had some retro clean on her, get it cleaned up and on a mannequin. We made a pit stop to go to the bathroom and get gas. I picked myself up a little donut breakfast. Didn't have breakfast this morning. Also picked up that turquoise ironing board back there. I'm actually going to use it for a work surface while I paint because I've been struggling with sawhorses being too short. My mother-in-law's getting in. She still doesn't want to be on camera. The sawhorses are too short and I can stand while I paint with this one. So, you know, it's turquoise. It's on brand. We've got ourselves a new work surface. Okay, guys, we just left.
Did you want to hit the book? Friends of the books?
No, we already did. I don't think they gotten anything since then. So we just hit the smelliest garage sale I've ever been in. Both of us were sick to our stomach instantly. She thinks it's fish guts. It's something dead of some kind. And he is blowing this fan. Oh, it was just awful. We couldn't even stay in there. We had to leave right away. But we're going to go back and check on the dog and the kid and make sure she hasn't torn up her cabin.
I hope not.
You better not have. You better have been paying attention. Okay, so there wasn't a whole lot today. We stopped before lunch. My mother-in-law, I think, is done. I lost both my Junkin Buddies today. But I did pick up a few things. If you're following me on Instagram, then you saw some of them. But let me show you really quick. Another 1954 wedding dress jumped into my hands. Again, this woman had it wadded up in a box with some Halloween stuff. I'm going to pop up a picture of my daughter actually wearing the dress. So Victoria's about a size 2 in adult sizes, and you can see we could not button it up the back. So this is probably a 0 or whatever's less than a 0, but it came with the crinoline and all that good stuff. And then I picked up, I said that earlier, the turquoise. I'm going to use this to paint on you guys because then I can stand, or if I want to sit, it's adjustable. But I'm struggling with like a single work surface. And then what else did we get today? Okay, I got all of this stuff for $5. So I'm going to show you all this next stuff. Even though she had prices on some of it, she just gave it to me all for $5. So this is a maple wood clock, and it's just the innards. I still like it. It's still very, very cool. This is a broken West clock. She had $1 on. Tobacco, obviously. That was all today. And then this, the tin measuring cups. It's not a complete set. And this little tin creamer. These wonderful little butter pats, the tin, I believe that's what these are for, little tin plates. And then this wonderful vintage tray. So that's all I got today. And we picked up the vanity, and the vanity is pretty incredible. So I had to take the entire top off. Let me show you. So the whole top had to come off, the mirrors, everything. But look at how gorgeous the cutwork and the drawers are and the carvings. It's just beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful when I'm done with it, that's for sure. But look at the legs. It's pretty stable, except this side has the most damage with the warping. It's gonna be a little bit of an effort. Might have to completely replace that top. Other than that, you know, it's a normal work day for me. I feel sorry for something and then I take it home. And that's what's happened with the wedding dress now and what happened with the vanity. There's a lot in here that just needs love. I have a soft spot, y'all, and I don't want to see it in a landfill, and I certainly don't want to see this wedding dress on a bloody bride. So not going to have a long video today just because there's nothing to show you guys. But if you want to see the lake, I'll give you another lake view. There's the view from the beach, which is right outside our door. It's pretty gorgeous here. Just came back from the car show, and now we're getting ready for the boat parade. Happy junking, guys. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.